Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change or small your text size on iPhone. It's super easy. As you can see over here, my text size of my all the apps and weather or all the apps are all the texts are large. So I want to do is resize it or size it to small. So you have to do is go to your iPhone settings and then go to accessibility. As you can see, these texts are large, so I want to do is go to accessibilities and then display and text. In this you will see the second option over here, large text. So once you click on that, you have to do is adjust your text size over here at the bottom. You can see over here like that. You can simply do is scroll it to the start, or you can adjust it over here. So once you are satisfied, you have to do is go back to this site. So this will be change your text size. So that's it. That's how you can change it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.